Hello, I'm in a 2014 VW Passat, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side first, you're going to find this lever. There's a little resistance on it. You pull it, and it just popped open the hood. So you can see what the back side of this looks like. Nothing to see. If it's loose inside this, you might have to get inside that plastic. See if there's a cable loose. Reattach it. But now we're on to the next step. So it was released. So there's a lever right here. I just pushed up. So you can push up and open. That's what this side looks like. And this is what it was hooked onto. So if you're having issues with this part, it might be something like your hood's not aligned quite straight, or there's maybe this is off and needs some debris cleaned out, or some WD-40 to loosen it up. And then somewhere right in here, you can see that cable. That's what runs to the driver's side where that hood release was that we pulled. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.